Grandfather clocks in America. What do you have in the entryway of your home? Have you ever considered owning a grandfather clock? A grandfather clock can be an outstanding focal point for your home or office. Your grandfather clock could be passed down from generation to generation, and all of our clocks are of solid wood construction and are expertly crafted in the United States. The clock mechanisms are constructed of solid brass. They are accurate and they are built to last for generations to come. Our collection features electric, quartz, and traditional cable-driven movements. They also feature Westminster, Whittington, and St. Michael's chimes. And most clocks also feature a night silencer. Each of our clocks come with an engraved brass plate. We have optional remembrance rings to mark special events available also. And our clocks also carry a 2-year warranty and are serviced by a nationwide service network. At the present time, we offer free shipping on all of our grandfather clocks. When you purchase a grandfather clock, it becomes a potential family heirloom to be passed from generation to generation. Grandfather clocks come in many styles and finishes and will fit any home decor. Grandfather clocks are known as the heartbeat of the home. The finely detailed cabinets will enhance other fine furniture in your home or your office. They add ambience to any room and will fit in any room with an 8-foot ceiling. If you add a grandfather clock to your home, you can start enjoying all the benefits we have talked about today. Thanks for listening, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.